spite of close to 2 decades, terrorism is back to knock at the doors of the Jammu division. Especially the Chenab Valley has seen a number of incidents in the last 2 to 3 months. We're on River Chenab. This is the India-Pakistan border. Pakistan is just about 500 meters from where this river patrolling is on by the Border Security Force. BSF guards about 200 kilometers of the international border in the Jammu area. And the latest challenge that has emerged is to guard the riverine border, to guard the rivers and the nallas, because it seems that some terrorists are attempting to breach India's sovereignty by infiltrating via these rivers and nallas. This Chenab river, you see the current that is flowing here. It's very fast and therefore it's impossible to fence it. Rainy season, heavy rains have widened the stretch of this particular river. There are parts of this river where I can see that the landmass has been submerged. So if you're taking your boat, there is a risk that the rocky bottom, the rocks can hit the bottom of the boats and completely overturn you. So nature is the big challenger here. But even then, Border Security Force is trying to give a sense of confidence to the voters of Jammu and Kashmir that we are patrolling the land, the river, the nallas, keeping an eye on the sky, and therefore you should come out and do your duty. That's the message that the Prime Minister is taking to the voters as well as he goes to the Chenab Valley and addresses that rally in Doda for the first time in 4 decades. So with the Prime Minister leading from the front, the security personnel, the BSF, the Indian Army, the paramilitary forces, they are keeping up to the task as far as security is concerned. The entire establishment giving that message to the voters of Jammu and Kashmir that yes, terrorists are trying to sabotage the electoral process, but you, the voter, are in safe hands. So go out and vote.